In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an extract in Tableau Desktop, whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just starting to explore the world of data visualization. Creating extracts in Tableau is an essential skill to enhance performance and make working with large data sets more efficient. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open Tableau Desktop. You can either search for Tableau in your preferred browser or simply open the Tableau Desktop app directly from your computer. It's always a good idea to make sure you're using the most up-to-date version for the best functionality and newest features. Once you have Tableau open, the next step is to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. This is crucial as having a personalized account allows you to save your work and keep track of your analytics projects more effectively. With your account ready and raring to go, open the specific worksheet within your Tableau workbook where you'd like to work. This is going to be your space for all the visualization magic as you prepare your data for extracting. Now that your worksheet is open, it's time to connect to your data source. Right after connecting, you'll find yourself on the data source page. Spend a moment here verifying that your data source is set up correctly. This might include joining necessary tables, ensuring that data types are configured correctly, and that everything aligns with your project needs. Proper setup at this stage can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Next, direct your gaze to the top right corner of the data source page, and you'll notice an extract option. With a simple click on that, you initiate the process of creating an extract. Now, you'll see an edit link situated next to the extract option. Go ahead and click it. This action will open up the Extract Data dialog box. Here is where you define exactly how you want Tableau to store your extract data. You have a choice between logical tables and physical tables. While logical tables are the default, and are generally useful if your data involves joins, opting for physical tables allows you further customization according to your specific requirements. Once you've selected the appropriate options for your needs, it's time to finalize your settings. Click OK in the Extract Data dialog box, and then hit a Sheet tab to start the extract creation process. This step essentially compiles your data extract and readies it for more efficient analysis. And there you have it. You've successfully created an extract in Tableau Desktop. By following each step carefully, you'll ensure your data is optimized for your analytics tasks, leading to smoother and faster performance. Thanks for following along, and remember, practice makes perfect with data skills like these.